Hello, I hope you all are doing well and happy to see you watching this useful content. Today's video is gonna be about circular economy and real-life examples applied by big companies, before starting to analyze business models. Let's look at what is circular economy at a quick glance. The circular economy is a cyclic system that aims to eliminate waste by turning goods that are at the end of their life cycle into resources for new ones. The circular economy is often facilitated by means of product life extension, redistribution, reuse, remanufacturing, and recycling. By maximizing the efficient use of resources, this fundamental redesign of materials, products, and value creation systems should ultimately reduce the negative environmental effects of emissions and resource waste that naturally accompany the consumption of physical goods. Now we are ready to examine circular economy business models. Our first company is Unilever. Unilever uses reuse models. Ellen MacArthur Foundation published a book about this method. This illustration helps to understand models better. Also, I add the book's link at the description. You can download free ebook for learning details and other applied examples. Starting page is about the move away from the linear economy to closed-loop system. Circular business models bring rethinking the design of products and packaging. 3R: reduce, reuse, recycle. 3 principles of circular economy used effectively in Unilever's business models. Now we see Unilever's goals. First one is halve the amount of virgin plastic usage in packaging. Refill, multiple usage packs, recycle, other ways used and new methods investigated for reaching this goal. Other goals: increase the recycled plastic material content in our packaging to 25%. Help collect and process more plastic packaging than we sell by 2025. By 2025 all of our plastic packaging will be designed to be fully reusable, recyclable or compostable. By 2025 we will have food waste in our operations. Maintain zero non-hazardous waste to landfill in our factories. Would you like to read in detail? Please stop the video after finishing your reading. Continue to watch. This section contains the examples of reuse, refill examples Unilever carried out and efforts of making plastic in use for as long as possible in a circular loop system by collecting, processing and repeatedly reusing it. So protecting our oceans and marine ecosystems targets obtaining with these useful efforts. Unilever and Alibaba Group have created an artificial intelligence-enabled recycling system that automatically identifies and sorts plastic packaging in China. Large-scale closed-loop plastic recycling system speeds high-grade plastic back into the circular economy. Also, manufacturing phase and operation storage points make waste segregation easier at sites. Trained employees involved in waste management, who've developed detailed action plans for reuse, recycling or recovery. 97% of the operational waste recycled, reused or recovered. Next company is Renault. Renault shares an informative content explains circular economy and what group carries out studies about it. Today, automotive vehicles are made up of more than 85% of metals and plastics. Hence the importance of reusing as much of these materials as possible rather than throwing them away. So automotive sector companies have too much thing to do. Renault's circular economy business model comprises recover the materials from vehicles at the end of their life. They describe it material loop, mechanical parts repaired and remanufactured them to propose new parts. For example, components of broken engines. The Choisy site remanufactures them to propose new engines using a standard exchange system. Workers at Indra dismantle old vehicles to extract parts from end-of-life vehicles for use in vehicle repair. This approach is described as part loops. Now better understanding what is material and part loops. Let's look at the piece of video of what Indra does. If you desired to get more info, I give Indra's YouTube channel to the description.
C'est après cette étape que l'on procède à la dépollution, c'est-à-dire le retrait de tous les liquides présents dans le véhicule. Carburant, liquide de refroidissement, liquide de frein. Ils seront ensuite collectés pour retraitement.
When the battery is no longer usable, instead of discarding it and recycling it, a second life is given to it to store renewable energies to power buildings, for example. Now let's check what Philips contribute to circular economy. There is a story about how paper Lux system born in Ellen MacArthur Foundation site. This method is so beneficial. Manufacturers have greater control over the items they produce and the embodied energy and materials, thus enabling better maintenance, reconditioning and recovery. Experts help companies on better managing the energy. So in this story, effective systems management resulted in a total energy reduction of 55% to 35% as a result of the LED installation, but also through optimization by Philips, another 20% reduction. Signify services include, assessing your current lighting equipment, creating a new lighting plan, hassle-free maintenance, remote support and guaranteed lighting performance. Now we examine the most innovative approaches by Interact IoT service. Lighting management and value-added applications extends the value of connected lighting through insights and data, while centralized lighting management lets you reduce operational expenses, track compliance and plan maintenance. Better understanding. There is a video piece that related the customer interview who takes services. I also give up the description channel link. Check their awesome services.
Providing light, it gives us data about our site and allows us to take smarter decisions about our operations. The system ensures that the light is really just on whenever it is needed, in consideration of all legal requirements and the safety of our employees. The possibility to save even more energy by daylight or missing presence enables us to save up to 50% compared to sites where conventional light systems are used.
Tech industry does not just increase energy efficiency in our site. It also offers software applications that help us to understand operations on the floor. For example, now we can see which areas are most frequently passed. The software enables us to analyze all data collected through smart sensors. With these data, we can improve our warehouse and process layout continuously. We can distribute the workload evenly, we can optimize our storage locations, and we can enable a more efficient working process. We are very satisfied with this solution and will take it into account when modernizing existing warehouses.
Streamline order picking and speed up delivery by optimizing your factory or warehouse layout. Interact Industry Space Management gathers real-time data via the connected lighting to reveal how areas are used, providing heat map visualizations to guide inventory strategies and productivity improvements. Signify provides high-quality, energy-efficient lamps, luminaires and lighting electronics. They're supporting customers in the transition from conventional to LED and connected lighting with the design and quality they expect from the world's leading professional lighting brands. Thank you for watching the video. Please subscribe and stay connected my next videos.